What's up, guys? It's a beautiful day outside. We're the Beefy boys. You guys are the Beefy game. We're gonna be training some arms today. How you feel about training arms?
Johnny is weak.
We're training arms today.
We're working them hard today, boys.
Johnny is so weak.
We'll see you in the gym.
What's up, guys? It's the Beefy boys.
Oh, and before we get into the gym, I'm gonna give you a second to subscribe right now. Why don't you subscribe? Did you subscribe yet? Are you subscribed? You sure? You're sure you're subscribed? You're positive. All right, let's go. All right, so today's workout, we're gonna be training arms. We're doing 4 sets each. So we're doing 4 sets for bis, 4 sets for tris. First exercise we're gonna start off with is the close grip bench press. All right, so today we're gonna get into the warm up, and we're gonna warm up with like the bar, and then I'm not gonna go too heavy on this, and you want to really feel it in the tricep. So I'm gonna go up to 45 pounds. Really don't need to go too heavy, but yeah, we're gonna start off. All right, so we just finished our warm up, so we're gonna get into the working sets. We're gonna do 3 sets, 12 repetitions on the close grip bench press. Remember, keep that grip really close. Alright, so basically, on this exercise, you really don't have to go that heavy, right? You see he's going really light. Just focus on that squeeze with the tri. Really squeeze. Keep them elbows really close to your sides. Really keep them close to your hips. And really drive with the tricep all the way up, all the way down. So basically, in this exercise, we're going to be doing dips. And so for dips, you want to make sure, I'm going to show you, you want to make sure, we're going to be, first of all, we're going to do 3 sets, 10 to 12 repetitions. And just like always, you want to make sure on this exercise, right, you want to keep your chest straight. You want to keep your body straight. You don't want to lean over like this, right? Once you start leaning over when you're doing dips, right, you're going to hit way too much chest. So you want to keep your body straight up, keep your tris in. Remember, 3 sets, 10 to 12 repetitions, all the way down, all the way up. And so basically on this exercise, if you can't do dips, because I know a lot of people cannot do dips, if you can't do dips, right, you can either, there's an assist on here, or you can do regular bench dips, or just do as many as you can, because seriously, this is a hard movement. So again, if you can't do them, have somebody help you, or do regular bench dips, or just do as many as you can. So.
So guys, we just got done with dips. Alright, so guys, we're gonna get into a workout called tricep extensions. This is really, you're gonna basically, pull up, pull down. You're really gonna work your triceps. Really, you really get that squeeze in. You should go pretty heavy on this. You should get to 10 to 12 repetitions. Really get it out on those 3 sets. And yeah, so let's get right into it.
basically, we just got done with tricep extensions, and so after tricep extensions, we're gonna be hitting the last tricep exercise, which is dumbbell overhead extension. So basically, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the So basically, again, 3 sets, 10 to 12 repetitions. All right, let's go. So basically, guys, a little quick tip, flex your tricep. So basically, this head, outside head, right? Basically, this is the head we're hitting when we're hitting that overhead extension, right? When you do more of that tricep extension work, you're hitting that medial head inside that big head, right? The same with the close grip bench press. The close grip bench press kind of hits most of, and the dips hit most of the tricep, but again, it's hitting that medial head. Now we're really putting the stretch on that outer head. So basically, we're starting the first exercise for biceps, and this is going to be the barbell curl. So basically, during this exercise, right, we're going to go really, really heavy because this is a compound exercise. We're going to do 5 to 7 reps. We're just going to get the warm up right now, and then after we do the warm up, we'll get into the actual working sets. Again, I only did 5 reps, right? But we're going really heavy because it's a compound exercise. Get it up, and then go really slow on the way down. So you're really strong. I'll give you a quick tip here. You're really strong on the eccentric part of the contraction, which is the downward phase of the contraction. So when you go up, if you go slow on the way down, it's a good way to make a lot more gains. Alright, so basically we just got done with barbell curl, and after that we're gonna get into the cable hammer curl. Now the difference between this and the cable and the dumbbell hammer curl is that it keeps constant tension on the bicep. So when you get at the bottom of the movement, it keeps tension on the bicep. When you get on the top of the movement, it keeps tension on the bicep instead of the dumbbell. So basically we're gonna get into it. 3 sets, 10 to 12 repetitions. And if you don't know what muscle this hits the brachialis, which is the side of your bicep right here, and the bump right in here. Go.
All right, we just finished up on cable hammer curls. Now we're gonna do close grip cable curl. Basically, it hits the peak of your bicep here at the top. That really shows right here. 3 sets, 10, 12 repetitions. We're gonna really get hit.
All right, so basically on this exercise, right, you don't want to go way too heavy, right? You really want to go pretty light on this exercise. You want to really get the squeeze in the side of your bicep right here, that peak. You really want to get the squeeze. Now you want to keep the arms kind of forward and in place. You don't want to move with the elbows, and you really want to get the squeeze at the top of the movement. That's really going to help grow your peak. Now the reason why we do these peak exercises, right? Because a lot of people don't focus on their peak. This is the biggest part of your bicep. It makes it tall, and it just makes it your arms longer in general. So that's why we do this exercise.
We just got done with cable curls, and now we're gonna go on some wrist curls here. Basically, just gonna hit the back of your forearm right here. Get that squeeze. Whoa!
Alright guys, it's the next morning. That's going to be it for the video, and yeah, make sure you like, make sure you comment, subscribe, make sure you put in the comments some new video ideas. I'm going to get on those other video ideas that you guys posted in the comments last time. I know there was one about, I think it was about like what we do outside of training, full day. I'm guessing that's a full day of eating, or you know, whatever we do outside of training. So I'm going to make a video about that, and then also maybe a day in the life, as you know, or something like that. And then also there's more video ideas that you guys put in the comments in previous videos, so I'm gonna look at those. But make sure if there's something you want to see in a video, comment it, and it'll have a chance to get in the video. So yeah, make sure you, again, like, comment, subscribe. See you guys.